Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're trying out some Sheglam face products. These are all the products that I hauled, and it's been a while since my haul, and in between this video here I just didn't have time to edit it or voice over it or anything. But let's jump right into some of these products. Today I'm also using the brand new HardCandy Marilyn Monroe Spray Moisturizer. And this is $8 at your local Walmart. It's lightweight, it absorbs quickly, it has kind of like a coconut scent. The sprayer is a bit much, so I spray that in my hand, and it's not greasy or oily feeling on the skin after it absorbs, and I have normal skin type if that helps. The Sheglam Birthday Skin Primer. This is $5.99 on shein.com. And all this stuff's going to be linked in the description box. So as I'm applying these products, I'm just kind of going to talk about them a little bit. So this is supposed to be brightening, lightweight, and color correcting. I don't think it's huge on the color correcting. I think it's kind of light in this area. It does help a little bit with the redness. It does fill pores. It lasts all day. It's flawless looking on the skin. It smooths your imperfections, and there's no harmful additives, so that's awesome. Now, this is the Skinfluencer Full Coverage Foundation Balm. This is $8.49 on shein.com. There's 29 shades. There's a shade finder online. This lasts all day. It has sweat resistant as well. I wore this in 95-degree weather. You can apply this with a brush or a sponge. I chose to do the sponge. It's non-greasy. There's high coverage with this. I do kind of like a light kind of coverage with this, but I do go in and add another layer. It's not cakey at all. It doesn't oxidize, which is really nice. It's super blendable, creamy, and lightweight. This is all my experience, and some of their claims I'm just confirming. And this stuff is actually super amazing. It feels nice on the skin, and I love how easily it is to blend out. And it has wax in it, so that's why when in the directions it tells you to kind of warm it up with your finger, and then it turns into that liquidy like consistency. This is like a strange foundation, the most strange foundation I've ever tried, but once all is said and done, it's really nice on the skin. Here's some close-up shots. Very pretty. Now this is the Sheglam Multi-Fix Concealer and Color Correct Palette. This is $7.99 on shein.com. This conceals dark circles. It covers acne, blemishes. It's 100% vegan. I love the packaging. I love that you get 6 shades in this for $7.99. It has a natural finish. This is, you can use this palette to do pretty much anything, even contour. You can mix custom shades, which I absolutely love, and it does cover my redness. It's an all-in-one concealer palette. It's creamy, blendable, not cakey, lasts all day. It didn't settle in my fine lines, and I have used this little concealer palette a couple times now, and I really like it. And that shade was really brightening around her eyes. This is the Coty Airspun powder. You can find this at Walmart every single day. I'm just using that to set the concealer. And I'm going to buff that out with my big e.l.f. body brush. And just smooth that over. After I apply powder products of any kind on the face, I always do this after every powder product. Doesn't matter if it's blush, powder, whatever have you. This is the LaColors Lip Oil in Watermelon, I believe. And this is the Sheglam Sunday Picnic Setting Spritz. And this is $4.99 on shein.com. And this is a hydrating setting spritz, setting spray, whatever you want to call it. It has a great mister. Very great. I love the smell. It's a grape smell. It gives me radiant skin. It lasts all day, and you can use this to prep, prime, and set your makeup. It has hyaluronic acid, grape extract, and vitamin C, and I think it looks beautiful on the skin. I think it looks absolutely stunning on the skin. And as you can see, it really made my highlighter pop. My skin looks so radiant. I feel refreshed. You can use this to refresh your makeup as well. And it really does help your makeup last all day long. I love how it looks. That is little mini reviews on the Sheglam face products. All those links will be in the description box. There'll be links in the cards as well, so definitely check those out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, found it helpful, and we'll stay tuned for more makeup. And I thank you guys so very much for watching. If you have any comments or questions regarding the products shown in the video, leave them in the comment section below. And thank you guys so very much for watching.